Hello, and thank you for clicking on my video. This is my first ever, actually, serving of CryptoButter. What CryptoButter is me trying to bring you as much value in crypto as possible. So I'm scouring the web for adoption, airdrops, reviews, tutorials, anything I can do to get value in your hands. That's what I'm here for. So it's not a hype channel. This isn't investing advice. We're not talking about trading. I'm just looking to find things that I find valuable and share them. And hopefully that can go both ways, and you can share some things with me too. So what do I got right now? Just real quick getting into it. First thing is Dentacoin. Nobody talks about Dentacoin ever. But they do share some interesting things. If you are at all into teeth, then this is definitely for you. I'm not going to read through these. I'm not going to bore you because I know a lot of people probably don't care about teeth. I worry about my teeth like every day. Teeth make me nervous, brushing them all the time. So I shared that on Twitter. If you're interested in teeth, go ahead and check that out. Something that's very interesting here, Binance just said their 11th burn is coming around the corner. And I know the market gets pretty hype about the burns, and Twitter blows up, so that's something to keep in mind. If you are interested in Binance coin, they got a burn coming up. Also for airdrop, the Just coin is airdropping to Tron holders. I'm not entirely sure how that works. I didn't read through all this, but I did share it. It's out there if you want to figure that out if you hold Tron. I do find that very interesting. Because I do have a little bit of Tron, and I'm just wondering if there's anything I got to do to get those coins or not. So I will be reading that. If I figure more out, I'll post another video about that. Any adoption. I love adoption. I love hearing about adoption. So that's why I wanted to share this too. It seems like there's some sort of new thing being put together by Morgan Creek Digital. So you hear about them a lot. So apparently you can, it's like atomic swaps, except you're sending from Bitcoin and you're receiving on Ethereum, things like that. So basically the equivalent of what I understand is a atomic swap. So that looks like that might be coming. That just got funded for like a crap ton of money. So maybe keep your eye open for that. And then Fold app. Apparently it's been around for a while, but I just found it. This thing's amazing. So I also shared a referral link to that if you want that. You can get 30,000 free sats. But pretty much all it is for gift cards. So if, for instance, you go to Amazon a lot, which I do, anytime you need a gift card, you can just buy it through them. And then they also give you kickbacks and sats, which are pretty cool. So if you're into stacking sats, that seems like that's a pretty easy way to do it. Like I said, I just found it. I just started it yesterday. And I've already got like thousands, tens of thousands of sats. So that's pretty cool. Other than that, this was just a quick video for me to try it out, see what the process is like, let you know what I'm about. Again, just looking for value and sharing it. So if there's anything you know of, anything you want to see or share, let me know. Drop it in a comment, tweet at me, whatever you got to do, get that information to me, and then I will go ahead and share it. Thank you.